In order to install a new pump, please follow the pump removal instructions first. To perform these instructions, you will need the following tools: a 9/16 socket driver, a 1/4 inch socket driver. With the 1/4 inch socket driver, remove the ground copper wire and install it on the new pump. Mount the pump, making sure it is sitting on the black rubber boots. Make sure that the O-ring is on the tailpiece. Align and tighten the pump unions. Once again, inspect the O-ring and install the elbow. With the 9/16 socket, install the pump shipping bolts. Perform the lower control replacement and spa refill instructions.